Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to post an article on Medium. First of all, we have to register an account. We will log in with email and then we will see this become a member. For now, we have to skip this option and we can see in down. Next, we have on the main page and we will click on the stories and then we will click on the start writing once. First we will write the title and then we will add the description. Here we have a title. Let us copy that we already write in a text file and here we will paste and here is the description. We will copy this all and let me first add image. We will select okay and then now we will paste the details here and we will click on the publish. Here is a review page, a story review, and we have to write some tags. Let me finish it. And click on the publish. That's it. Our story has been published.